Rahim. Assalamu alaikum class 6. Open your English grammar books. Today we are going to start lesson 4 adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells us something about the noun that modify a noun. In this lesson we will learn about the different types of adjectives. The types of adjectives are equative, comparative and superlative. Read the following sentences. Robert is a tall boy. In this sentence, tall is an adjective that describes the noun boy. Robert's father is tall. Robert is tall too. Robert is as tall as his father. This is equative adjective. इसमें दो persons की quality same है. Robert is as tall as his father. So this is equative adjective. Robert is not as tall as his father. इसमें दो persons की qualities जिनको compare किया जा रहा है वो same नहीं है. Robert is not as tall as his father. This is negative equative adjective. Robert is taller than his father. This is comparative adjective. In comparative adjective, we compare the qualities of two persons or things. Robert is the tallest in his family. Robert अपनी family में सबसे ज़्यादा tall है. This is superlative adjective. Equative adjectives are marked by the word as on both sides of the adjective or not as. इक्वेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स में हम एडजेक्टिव की दोनों साइड्स पे as लगाते हैं और इन नेगेटिव एडजेक्टिव में not as. कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स कंपेयर्स क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स. कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव में दो पर्सन्स या फिर थिंग्स की क्वालिटीज़ को कंपेयर किया जाता है. दे आर फॉलोड बाय द वर्ड देन और उसमें एडजेक्टिव के बाद देन लगता है. सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स कंपेयर qualities of three or more than three persons or things. They are preceded by the word the. Now let's understand. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the adjectives and say what kind of adjectives they are. Also put a box around the noun or pronoun they are describing. इन सेंटेंसेस में हमें एडजेक्टिव्स को अंडरलाइन करना है और ये बताना है कि एडजेक्टिव की कौन सी टाइप है और हम एक बॉक्स ड्रा करेंगे अराउंड द नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन. नंबर 1. आवर प्रेजेंटेशन वाज एज गुड एज देयर्स. दिस इज़ इक्वेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. दिस इज़ इक्वेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड और इज़ द प्रोनाउन एंड गुड इज़ एडजेक्टिव. वी अंडरलाइन द एडजेक्टिव गुड एंड ड्रा बॉक्स अराउंड द प्रोनाउन और. नंबर 2. The red frog was not as pretty as the blue one. This is negative equative adjective. And red and pretty is adjective and frog is noun. Number 3. Over a period of time, Helen proved to be more intelligent than him. In this sentence, Helen is the noun and intelligent is adjective and this is comparative adjective. इसमें हेलन को कंपेयर किया उसकी इंटेलिजेंस को कंपेयर किया जा रहा है किसी शख्स से. दिस इज़ कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव. नंबर 4. हिज वॉक इज़ स्लोअर दैन अ स्नेल. दिस इज़ आल्सो कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव जिसमें किसी शख्स की वॉक को स्नेल से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है एंड स्नेल इज़ द नाउन, स्लोअर इज़ एडजेक्टिव एंड हिज इज़ द प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स डैट यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. नंबर 5. Which is the most beautiful beach in the world? Which is the most beautiful beach in the world? This is the superlative adjective and in the sentence beautiful is adjective and beach is the noun. Number 6. Batti is the youngest student in the class. This is superlative adjective. Batti class में सबसे ज़्यादा young है, सबसे छोटी है. This is the superlative adjective जिसमें बट्टी को compare किया जा रहा है उसकी whole class से. And Batti is the noun, youngest is the adjective. Practice part A. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with equative adjectives using the words in the brackets. Now we fill these blanks by inserting the equative adjectives. The new canteen was dash the old one. The word in the bracket is big और हम इसको equative बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे कि big की दोनों sides पे हम as लगाएंगे. As big as. The new canteen was as big as the old one. नई कंटीन भी उतनी बिग है जितनी के पुरानी थी. नंबर 2. The new series of children's story is dash the previous series. Exciting. and its equative form is as exciting as. The new series of children's stories is as exciting as the previous one, the previous series. Number 3, the month of January has dash the month of May. Days. So we write as days as in the form of equative adjective. The month of January has as days as the month of May. Number 4, the new school building is dash the previous one. Spacious mean so large, kushada. The new school building is as spacious as the previous one. Part C. Copy the sentences given below in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with superlative form of adjective given in the brackets. Use most or est. Now we will fill these blanks by inserting the superlative form of adjective. Number 1. Among the 3 friends, Nick has dash house. Big. The superlative form of big is the biggest. Among the 3 friends, Nick has the biggest house. तीनों दोस्तों में निक का घर जो है वो सबसे बड़ा है. Number 2. He has dash collection of toys among his friends. Large. The superlative form of the adjective large is the largest. He has largest. We write est. Number 3. She is dash girl in the class. Cleverer. Cleverer is the comparative form of clever, and we make it superlative as writing the most clever. She is the most clever girl in the class. Number 4. Cleopatra was considered dash lady in the world. Beautiful. The superlative form of the adjective beautiful is the most beautiful. Cleopatra was considered the most beautiful lady in the world. Cleopatra is the mistress of Julius Caesar. Number 5. Paris is dash city in the world. Fashionable. Paris is the most fashionable city in the world. The most fashionable is the superlative form of fashionable.